Hello, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to make the Japanese style braised pork. It's called pork kakuni. Stay hungry. Alrighty, the ingredients are the Japanese pork bellies. It's about 1.3 kilos. That's roughly what? 3 pounds. Okay, so 3 pounds of pork belly. Okay, so this one is being washed in the signature, a signature style. In other words, so I wash with this one, spring water, baking soda, and apple cider vinegar, and organic soy sauce, okay, and handcrafted ginger brandy, okay. It's organic ginger, okay, and Mr. Olive oil, organic of course. There's some fried tofu's, organic basil. The given my friend made, my friend grows this kind of stuff, right? So organic shishito pepper, and then organic king oyster mushrooms. Okay, then normally when people cook kakuni, braised Japanese style pork, they put sugar, organic sugar, but I'm not gonna add it because the brandy itself brings some sweetness. Okay, so cheers. Okay, I already put some, pork in the cube form. I'll show you. So, about maybe 1 inch, okay, 1 inch by 1 inch. That's what I've been doing. Yeah, and I just start cooking with medium-high heat. I did put some organic olive oil. Okay, so yeah, awesome sauce, huh? Okay. Yeah, I just realized that my camera was not on, so that's why I didn't do it everything from the beginning. Okay? Well, things happen, but it's all good. Yeah. And this one is the made by Amway Queen Cookware. Okay, the stainless steel one. And this one is not. You don't need to put no more than medium high heat, because this particular one, it distributes the heat evenly thanks to the 7 layers of coating the stainless steel pan, right? So okay, see, most people think cooking the pork kakuni or braised pork in the cube one is super difficult. It isn't, thanks to this special gadgets. Okay, then now I go ahead, put some organic ginger. Okay, yeah, why not, right? Yeah. It's already soaked this pork in spring water mixed with organic apple cider vinegar and baking soda, so it's already have the scummy things. But if you have any doubt, you can parboil this and then rinse it and then put it back. It's no problem. I do unconventional way, okay? And then, okay, fried tofu. Now, those of you cannot eat pork, or those of you are vegetarian, you can omit the pork. You just put the fried tofu instead, okay? So, voila. See? Awesome sauce, awesome sauce, awesome sauce. Who made this music? I just made it up. Am I the bloody genius or what, Alright. And then, here, organic shishito pepper and king oyster mushrooms, organic form. You just put like this. Yeah. And then at the end I'm gonna add some basil, organic basils, but not now. Okay, And I know something's missing. Oh, sure. Organic soy sauce. Okay. This is what you gotta do. Yeah. Roughly what? 3 tablespoons, I think. And then the handcrafted or homemade ginger brandy. Okay. I use, Remy Martin VSOP. Yeah, with organic ginger. Okay, so you don't need to add some sugar because the apple brandy, not the apple brandy, ginger brandy brings the sweetness. Okay, then see, they still have some chunks. Let me eat this. And normally, when you cook the Kakuni or braised pork like this, it takes 3 to 5 hours. For me, you only need somewhere between 45 minutes to 1 hour because this is so efficient. It beats pressure cooker, and pressure cooker breaks the cell wall. Cell structure. So in a way, it's not really good. Now, this is my secret gadget, the ponzu sauce. Yeah, I just put little. Peace in mind. Yeah. And then, you know what? Why don't I add the organic sansho pepper? It's similar to the Sichuan corn, right? It's similar to the Chinese Sichuan corn in organic form. Because it has a good antibiotic properties into it. So. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay, so I see you in hour, I think. Yeah. Alrighty. Cheers. Alright then. Let's take a look. Ooh! Look at that, baby. Yeah. So I say I see in 45 minutes or 1 hour, but I only spent 35 minutes cooking. Look at that. It's soft already. See? Who needs a pressure cooker? Nobody. This serves everything, Yeah. And the fried tofu. Wow. Awesome sauce. I know some people prefer not the soupy, but it doesn't matter. But so good. Alright? So, right? Okay, so ready. Oh, you know what? Before say ready to serve, here I'll show you. See that? Ouchie! Yeah. See that? Beautiful. Okay. Ready to cook. Ready to serve. Okay. Put tons of it, okay? So, yeah. Oh, come on. We need some pork bellies. I love tofu too, but Yeah. some more meat, baby. Need some fresh meat. No, cooked meat. Yeah. Right? And you know what else? Some more. And some mushrooms and shishito peppers. Alright? Yeah. It looks good. See? It's a traditional Japanese cooking, should I say? Yeah. Some more for good luck, baby. Yeah. Right. And then put some basil leaves. Yeah. Yeah. So presentable. Yeah. There. There we have it. Okay. So pork belly, braised pork belly, Kakuni style. Okay. So. Alright. So now let's do the tasting time, should we? Alright, so now it's tasting time. Okay, so. Wow. I only spent 30 minutes cooking this. It's not totally soft, but this is acceptable. So if you want to cook it another 30 minutes, it should be way better. Okay. It melts in the mouth. Yeah. Awesome. With basil leaves, it's even better. Mushrooms. Man, I'm so genius. Here. Fried tofu Kakuni style. Yeah. I did not add any sugar, but I can taste the sweetness because thanks to the ginger infused brandy. Okay, that is the fantastic substitution. Yeah, right here. Yeah, pork belly Kakuni. So 1 inch by 1 inch kind of thing. Yeah. Oh. 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 I think I overcooked the shishito pepper, but it doesn't matter. It's so good. Good. The basil leaves. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So thank you very much for watching, and those of you enjoy, please press the thumbs up and ring the bell, okay? And don't forget to subscribe so you won't be missing the fantastic cooking shows. Okay, everybody, take care and stay healthy and stay strong. God loves you. Take care. All right, say goodbye to the beautiful braised pork Kakuni, okay? And you can do it with beef or lamb as well. Okay, cheers. Bye.